Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today I'm going to be talking about those songs that send up prayers to wish for a better life for oneself or for the betterment of someone else. Dua karna. So, Mughal-e-Azam. This movie had beautiful songs for a variety of occasions actually, and there is a brilliant Lataji solo which fits this theme today. Shakil Saab's lyrics with Naushad Saab's music for the movie. There is a very beautiful couplet before the song starts. "Ae mere mushkil kusha, faryad hai. Mushkil kusha is someone who will solve your problem, a problem solver. So she is referring to God at this point. So she's calling out to him, faryad hai, twice, saying she has a plea for him. Aapke hote hue, duniya meri barbad hai. Despite your presence in my life is being destroyed. And then the song starts. Bekas pe karam kijiye, Sarkar-e Madina. Here, I love how Shakil Saab has used Sarkar-e Madina to refer to God. So from Mughal-e-Azam, Bekas pe karam kijiye. Chaudhary Ka Chand was a Gurudutt production. He made this shortly after he made Kaagaz Ke Phool. So he very comfortably recovered whatever money he had lost with the flopping of Kaagaz Ke Phool. The music for this movie, well, I'll come back to the music. The movie itself is a tragedy. Unnecessarily so, it seems like, especially viewed from a very practical eye. It just seems like there's a whole bunch of completely unnecessary situations, but there would have not been a movie, a story, and all of that if you thought practically every single time. The music for the movie, of course, was absolutely fantastic. Ravi ji with Shakil Badayuni writing the lyrics. I think this is the first time that Shakil Saab worked with Guru Dutt. The scene is a very light-hearted one. So it's not like one of those desperate dua songs. It is actually a very fun, almost comical, one could say, the whole scene. Johnny Walker is singing for his friend Guru Dutt's wedding. At his wedding, he's singing this song, and he is praying that someone finds a bride for him also very quickly so that he can get married too, because now that his friend is getting married, he's going to be the only single person in the group. Rafi Saab has sung the song. So from Chaudhary Ka Chand, Mera yaar bana hai dulha.
मेरा यार बना है दूल्हा और फूल खिले हैं दिल के, हर मेरी भी शादी हो जाए, दुआ करो सब मिलके। मेरा यार बना है दूल्हा और फूल खिले हैं दिल के, हर मेरी भी शादी हो जाए, दुआ करो सब मिलके। आज की खुशियाँ देख के मेरा दिल भी ले अंगड़ाई, मेरे भी घर हो धूम धड़कता और बजे शहनाई। आज की खुशियाँ देख के मेरा दिल भी ले अंगड़ाई, मेरे भी घर हो धूम धड़का और बजे शहनाई। मैं भी सेहरा बांध के बैठूं बीच भरी महफिल के, मेरा यार बना है दूल्हा और फूल खिले हैं दिल के, हर मेरी भी शादी हो जाए, दुआ करो सब मिलके।
This next song is a personal favorite for me. It's from the movie Bhabhi Ki Chudiyan, and Meena Kumari, Balraj Sahani in the lead. This movie was just beautifully made. It was a remake of a Marathi movie, and it's a tragedy again, but I love this movie. It's just everything about it, and the child artist who is there for a considerable part of the beginning half of the movie is absolutely brilliant, so natural. And Meena Kumari has done an absolutely fantastic job acting the role of Bhabhi. And this song, it's sort of evening time, she's lighting lamps and praying for the happiness of her family. Very, very beautifully sung by Lata ji, and it's Sudhir Phadke's music with Pandit Narendra Sharma's lyrics. So from Bhabhi Ki Chudiyan, Law Lagati, Geet Gati.
Law lagati, geet gati, deep mein preet baati. Law lagati, geet gati.
Lakshmikant Pyarelal made their musical directorial debut, one would say, in 1963 with Parasmani. Excellent music for this movie, phenomenal songs. The movie itself, one of my favorites. It's completely nuts, but a lot of fun. And you have brilliant lyricists. You have Farrukh Khaizer and Asad Bhopali writing all the lyrics for this movie. And this particular one was written by Asad Bhopali. It is an extravagantly complimentary love song. रोशन तुम्ही से दुनिया, रौनक तुम्ही जहाँ की, फूलों में पलने वाली, रानी हो गुलसितां की, सलामत रहो. So it means the light in this whole universe is from you. Roshan tumhi se duniya. Raunak tumhi jahan ki. You are the liveliness, the life within this whole world. Phoolon mein palne wali, someone who has been brought up amongst flowers, meaning you're so delicate and so beautiful. Rani ho Gulstan ki, so which means you are the queen of the entire garden. Salamat raho, I hope you always live well. Rafi Saab, of course, singing it absolutely gloriously. From Parasmani, Roshan tumhi se duniya.
रोशन तुम्ही से दुनिया, रौनक तुम्ही जहाँ की, फूलों में पलने वाली, रानी हो गुलसितां की, सलामत रहो, सलामत रहो, रोशन तुम्ही से दुनिया, रौनक तुम्ही जहाँ की, फूलों में पलने वाली, रानी हो गुलसितां की, सलामत रहो, सलामत रहो, हाय सलामत रहो। नाजुक हो नाज से भी तुम प्यार से भी प्यारे, नाजुक हो नाज से भी तुम प्यार से भी प्यारी, तुम हुस्न से हंसी हो, क्या बात है तुम्हारी, क्या बात है तुम्हारी, आँखों में दो जहां है, मालिक हो दो जहां की, सलामत रहो, सलामत रहो, सलामत रहो।
Rajendra Kumar and Saira Banu had this massive hit in the mid-60s, Ai Milan Ki Bela. Great fun. And Dharmendra also has a sizable parallel role. It's the twins separated at birth thing. Not identical twins. Dharmendra and Rajendra Kumar are twins in this movie. So fraternal twins. And Dharmendra's role is mildly villainous in this. And you have to watch it. It is mildly villainous. So this is a birthday party scene. It's the birthday party of these twins. And they, of course, don't know that they're twins. And they don't even know they're related. The secret is held by a few. Saira Banu is singing this song. She essentially is singing to Rajendra Kumar, but poor Dharmendra thinks she's meaning him in this whole thing. Oh, these misunderstandings and love triangles, what can I say? Lataji has sung this solo. So she's basically wishing the birthday boys well in this song. From Ai Milan Ki Bela, तुम्हें और क्या दूँ मैं दिल के सिवा, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए,
तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए, तुम्हें और क्या दूँ मैं दिल के सिवाय, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए।
Other film industries in India also have songs that are prayers. I've picked two from the Kannada film industry today. The first one that I've picked is from a movie called Bangarada Hoovu, which means golden flower, and it was Dr. Rajkumar, Kalpana, and Shailashri who were in the main roles. The story was something that was very common in those days. Love triangles. It never made sense to me. And this one, same thing, one man, two women in love with him. After much hand wringing and convulsions and weeping and so on, things are resolved satisfactorily for the one pair who love each other. The other one, sorry, buddy, your life sucks. You know, even as a child, these movies did not appeal to me. It irritated me, if anything, because so much of helplessness, all kinds of nonsense on the part of the women. Feminist rant over. The songs were very nice. The music directors were a famous duo in Kannada movies, Raj and Nagendra. And there were two lyricists writing for the movie, Uday Shankar and Vijay Narasimha, who wrote this particular song. So here it's actually a female duet sung by S. Janaki and P. Sushila. And it's actually a very beautiful song. So these two women are singing in their respective locations, both of course wishing the hero well, and they're hoping that his life is wonderful and all happiness and sweetness goes to him and all miseries and the bitterness of life comes to them, and so on and so forth. So from Bangarada Hoovu, Nee Nadeva Hadiyalli. Upkar. This was a Manoj Kumar, Asha Parekh movie. And I think this, even though here Manoj Kumar had produced Shaheed before this, this movie really kind of cemented him in the patriotic man role. That's why they referred to him as Mr. Bharat and so on, because all his movies had very much of a patriotic theme. And he really loved India and he wanted the world to know that. There is a very beautiful Lataji solo in this, written by Gulshan Bawra. Kalyanji Anandji's music, but there were plenty of lyricists. You had Kamar Jalalabadi, Prem Dhawan, Indivar, and Gulshan Bawra. So this song, it's very sweet one, because, Lataji, the tune is beautiful and Lataji has really expressed that fervent hope in the lyrics so beautifully. And I don't know, it's just the wishes of this woman who is hoping that her loved one lives well and has a very smooth and safe, because he is now at war, kind of a journey. It's very heartfelt and beautifully, beautifully sung by Lata ji. From Upkar, हर खुशी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे.
हर खुशी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे. हर खुशी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे. जिंदगी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे. हर खुशी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे. ये अंधेरे मुझे ये अंधेरे मुझे इसलिए है पसंद. इनमें साया भी अपना दिखाई न दे. इनमें साया भी अपना दिखाई न दे. रोशनी हो वहाँ रोशनी हो वहाँ रोशनी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे. जिंदगी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे. हर खुशी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे.
So for the last song today, it's another Kannada song from the movie Na Mechida Huduga. This came out in the early 70s, I want to say. Kalpana and Srinath in the lead. Music for the movie was by Vijay Bhaskar with R.N. Jayagopal's lyrics. And this song it's interesting. It's like a family setting. There's a family celebration of an anniversary. And this young lady is singing for the happiness, and she says that the love that the parents have is what is sort of the guiding light and hope for this whole family to remain together and be united. S. Janaki has sung the song from Na Mechida Huduga. Mangalada ee sudina madhuravagali. That's it for today, folks. I will always be wishing all of you very well because I'm eternally grateful for your encouragement and support. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.